Whether you are a student or tourist or business visit to China and you need to move around goods and services from one region to another in China, and you find it difficult to see a good courier service, or you don't know how to contact a courier service for your goods and services to move around within China, let me show you how you can get it done with just your Alipay app. Open up your Alipay app. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on more right here. And the next thing you want to do is to click on all right here. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to simply proceed to my package right here. Then here you go. What you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on got it and skip. Then here you go. First thing first, you need to make sure you log in with your Alipay account to your profile. For that, go ahead and click on here. And just successfully log in with your Alipay account. And your dashboard right here is going to show you everything about the transaction you have been doing so far in the account. And the next thing you want to do is to click on here to go back to the home page. Then for you to see more logistic courier service in China, simply click on here. Then here you go. So you have them all right here. You can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all logistic company in China that you can simply use. If you want to hire any one of them right, so if you want to hire any one of them right here, you want to make sure that you select, click on here to choose your location, fill in the detail address right here. Once you fill in the detail address right here, click on here to go back. Then you can simply click on this section right here where the parcel is going to. Fill in the detail right here, and then come down below right here and choose any of the logistics service that you want to use right here. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Alipay topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.